So I'm going to show you the updates that we have done to her bedroom so far. We did repaint, and then the Matace Carpet Tile Company reached out to me about doing a video on their carpet tiles. And at first I was hesitant because in order to get enough carpet tiles to cover the entire room, they were going to just send me 2 boxes, so it wasn't going to be enough to cover her entire room. But then after I had talked back and forth with one of the ladies that works for the company, she explained that I wouldn't have to put tiles underneath the furniture, so it would end up basically covering the room. So that really caught my attention. I love the fact that you can just order what you need and you don't have to cover the entire space. So basically it's like a better version of having like a large area rug. These are, actual carpet tiles, and you can mix and match the different colors. But anyway, I want to show you guys the installation of those and then show you what the finished product looks like. Because I know that you guys you haven't had any updates on our upstairs in such a long time. And so I wanted to do that today. So let me show you what they look like, and I'll show you some clips of me installing them, and then I will show you the finished product of them in case you are interested in purchasing some of these for your house. I would highly recommend them because they're so easy to install, and if you get a rip in your carpet or anything like that, then you can just replace that one tile and not have to replace your entire flooring or anything like that. So I think it's going to be a money saver in the long run, and they're super easy to clean. We've already gotten actually mud on them from the dogs being outside. Right now it's just disgusting. Outside is so muddy. But anyways, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so here are the 2 boxes of the Matace carpet tiles that I received. I got 1 box of the light blue color and then 1 box of the gray color. And then I'll just kind of give you a quick overview of what my daughter's bedroom looked like before we installed the carpet tiles. Okay, so probably my favorite feature of these carpet tiles is the fact that they are so easy to install. I am not good with complicated things, and so if this had not been an easy process, I would not have agreed to do this video on these carpet tiles. I would have probably just sent them back. But I absolutely loved how easy they were to install. I feel like a 5-year-old could install these carpet tiles. And when you go to clean them, you can actually get down on your hands and knees and clean the carpet, or you can actually just pick the tile up. Just pick up the little piece of tile that you want to clean, and then you can take it to your kitchen sink and actually just clean it there instead of having to bend over on the floor and scrub on the floor. You can just literally take it to your kitchen sink and clean it off. So I just think it's perfect for anyone especially with kids or pets. These carpet tiles are just the best thing to have. And I love that if you wanted to change out your colors, let's say my daughter gets tired of seeing the baby blue color, I could just, order a box of a different colored tile and replace that, change out the blue with a different color, or I could order more of just the gray and just have a solid gray carpet. So I definitely think that that's super cool. So they tell you when you are installing these carpet tiles, when you're finished, that you need to vacuum over them to give them a seamless appearance. But I didn't even need to vacuum over them to have that seamless appearance. It just instantly happened. So I thought that was so cool. It literally doesn't take any thought at all to put these carpet pieces down, and they look like a professional installed them. All right, y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. I am super excited to share this with you guys today. I will have a link in the description box below, as well as a coupon code if you are interested in purchasing these carpet tiles. Thank y'all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.